Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's go ahead and take a look at on how to change or switch your Apple Watch Ultra's band. Here, right out of the box, we have the Apple Watch Ultra 49mm titanium green Alpine Loop. Now, if you want to change your band, few things you have to keep in mind. First of all, try to push it away. Now, if you just take a look at here, you'll be able to see there's a button or switch, whatever you're going to call it. You actually need to press this and in order to just take it out. So I'll just push it or press it from here, and then I'll simply remove it from my Apple Watch. So here, as you guys can see, it's just getting out from there. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing from this side as well. So I'll just press and hold it, and I'll just take this up or down. Then you'll be able to see now my band has been removed from my Apple Watch. Now let's go ahead and grab another band here. So as you guys can see, I have the similar band with the orange color, so I can use it with my watch as well. Now make sure your band is 49mm if you especially purchased it from the third-party source. Now let's go ahead and put it right in. Now of course, before you just go ahead and connect it, make sure to choose your part. Now, if you see this 3-dot line or just 3 black line, this actually goes on the front part, like it should go in this way. However though, if you see this part, which is 2 black and 1 is the white or whatever the steel color is, and this should goes in underneath. So here you don't have to push this button while you're just putting it in. I'll just go ahead and just push just like that. Now sometimes you can feel like, well, it's actually getting stuck. If you have this problem, just take a look at this part. Now this part actually can cause the problem. Just push a little here, and now you'll be able to see it will go smoothly without even just giving you any trouble. So let me just do it from there. Now let's go ahead and do the same thing with this side of the band. Okay, again, just go ahead and put it in. If you're getting stuck, just like before, just press in the middle and push it, and you'll see now you have successfully touched another band with your Apple Watch Ultra. Now in the similar way, you can also choose other bands, just like the silicone band that you have. Well, you can follow the similar process to just attach your any other band, just like a silicone band, or if you have any other bands for your Apple Watch Ultra. Hope you find this video useful. If you think so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll speak to you all later. Peace out.